In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Eventbrite tickets. To get started on the web version of Eventbrite, the first thing you need to know is that tickets are created inside an event. So before you can offer free, paid, or donation-based tickets, you'll need to set up the event itself. Begin by opening the Eventbrite website in your browser. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't already have one, you can create an account first and then continue. Make sure you're signed in properly, since all of your event details and ticket settings will be managed from your Eventbrite dashboard. Next, create your event. Click on Create Event and then start filling in the basic information. You'll need to enter the event name, the date and time, and the location. If your event is virtual, you can set it up as an online event instead. After that, add a description that clearly explains what the event is about. This is important because attendees will often rely on this section to decide whether they want to register. If needed, you can also upload images to make the event page more attractive and professional. Once everything looks good, save and continue. After your event has been created, go to the ticket section for that event. This is where you'll actually set up what people can select when they register. Click Add Tickets and then choose the type of ticket you want to create. Eventbrite gives you a few common options. You can create a paid ticket if you want to charge attendees, a free ticket if registration costs nothing, or a donation-based option if you want people to contribute an amount of their choosing. Now it's time to configure the details for each ticket. Give each ticket a clear name such as General Admission or VIP so attendees can easily understand the options. If it's a paid ticket, enter the price, then set the quantity, which controls how many of that ticket type are available. You'll also choose the sales dates, meaning when ticket sales begin and when they stop. This helps you control availability and keeps registration aligned with your event schedule. Once your tickets are ready, move on to publishing the event. Review your checkout settings carefully, especially if you're running a paid event. You'll also need to add payout details so Eventbrite knows where to send your funds. When everything has been reviewed, click Publish. After that, your event link will be live, and you can start sharing it so people can buy tickets or register. One important thing to remember is that free events are fully free to publish, while paid events require payout setup and may include Eventbrite fees.